Hello students, this is Sathwik. In the last video, we discussed about sequence, and today we'll be discussing about series from the chapter sequence and series. So first, let's see what is series defined as. So series is an expression which we get by adding or subtracting the terms of a sequence. So if you want to write that in mathematical form, so if A1, A2, A3, so on up to AN is a sequence, like I already explained in the previous video, then the expression adding those terms or subtracting those terms will be a series. So we'll have A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus so on up to AN. So if you look at some of the examples, here suppose I'm going to consider two sequences. So those are 1 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7 comma 9. So if I take this sequence, then this can be represented as a series when we add them. So 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus so on will become a series. Okay. And similarly, if you consider one more example, taking even numbers, that is 1 2 comma 4 comma 8 comma 16 comma so on up to infinite terms. So this will become an infinite sequence, right? So what if we write this as an expression of some of these terms? So 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16 plus so on up to infinity. So this will be a series. I hope you understood well. Thank you.